If you're feeling tired, foggy, or dragging through your day, it's not just stress or age, it's your mitochondria. They're the tiny power plants inside every cell that make energy. When they burn out, guess what? You burn out too. I'm going to give you 3 ways to rebuild your mitochondria, plus some key supplements that I use with patients and I use on myself, including one that you should have heard of if you've been watching this channel long enough, but maybe not, methylene blue. The reason why my tongue is blue in a lot of my pictures, okay? Remember what we say, blue tongue equals happy mitochondria. Listen, energy starts at a cellular level, okay? So, if we have mitochondria in every single cell in our body, 96% of Americans have some sort of mitochondrial deficiency, okay? Some are very, very bad, some are mild. But if we have that many mitochondria, wouldn't it make sense to optimize the mitochondria, right? If you can't heal your mitochondria, you cannot heal your mitochondria when you're always running on cortisol. So if you're constantly stressed, you're in fight or flight, you are not activating that parasympathetic nervous system, you're staying up late, you're not sleeping, you're doom scrolling. What that happens, your message that the mitochondria are getting is don't repair, right? Just fight, fight, fight. Mitochondrial heal and repair in deep sleep, during calm breathing, and recovery, right? So sunlight in the morning, you know this, you should be getting sunlight for 15 minutes in that first hour that you're awake. Turn off that blue light at home, add on red light therapy, recharge those mitochondria. Remember, you should be activating your parasympathetic nervous system all through our day with our box breathing. In for 4, hold for 4, out for 4, repeat for 4, right? We're not just doing that when we're stressed. We're doing that when we're stressed also. But we should be doing that morning, noon, and night, right? To activate that parasympathetic nervous system, take ourselves out of fight or flight, take the system out of fight or flight so that we can start repairing, okay? Number 2 is we're going to feed our mitochondria, right? Where they turn nutrients, they run on nutrients, not caffeine, not pumpkin spice lattes. And here are some things that can help. CoQ10, okay, so CoQ10 is a transporter in the electron transport chain. It helps mitochondria make more ATP. Magnesium, yeah, I'll say it again and I'll say it a million times. You should be on magnesium. It does over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body. B vitamins 2, 3, and 12. Omega-3s. Omega-3s stabilize mitochondrial membranes, okay? And then L-carnitine also can help. And this is why most of these are in every single foundational stack that we recommend that everyone be on, because alongside with all of the other things that they work on, they support the mitochondria, right? And we need to feed the mitochondria. They're a premium fuel, right? They are the fuel of our body. Just take this, for example, mitochondria, there is over 100 trillion. Let me say that again. 100 trillion mitochondria in the brain. Okay. So if you think you're suffering from brain fog, from, not performing, from all of the tired, fatigue, activate the mitochondria. Light, movement. And then one of my favorite things is methylene blue. Activate. Number 3 is activate the mitochondria. So basically, we're going to give them methylene blue. What does methylene blue do? It goes into that electron transport chain, takes an electron, pulls an electron, whatever it needs to do, and it pushes us through to more clean energy. So wherever, methylene blue is cool because it finds wherever the mitochondria are mucked up, okay, for lack of better words, wherever they're mucked up, and then it solves that piece and still produces the energy. Think of them like zip jumper cables, right? For tired cells. Dose and source do matter, folks. Dose and source do matter. Remember, this is not medical advice. This is for educational purposes. You need to run things by your doctor. I recommend that you do methylene blue under medical supervision and as part of a precision dosed plan and protocol. Don't grab the stuff online, because source of these types of things do matter to make sure that you are getting good, clean product. Okay. Not all product is the same. So that's true with everything, right? And every supplement. Mitochondrial health is a foundation to every single system. Hormones, metabolism, brain, mood, the ovaries, the testes, every single system. Okay. If you fix the cell, you can optimize the system, right? So if you're tired of feeling tired, work smarter, not harder. Let's take apart and optimize these things to see where we end up. So I'll test you. I'm going to put this on you today. Take one thing this week to activate those mitochondria. One thing, okay? It doesn't have to be all the things, whether it's light, whether it's stop doom scrolling, whether it's trying methylene blue, whatever it is, take one thing and do it and see what happens to you at the end of the week. Do you feel better? Are those mitochondria revamped? But why wouldn't we target the thing that drives energy in our body, right? When we know that so many of us are mitochondrial gummed up in some way. So fix your mitochondria. Fix your mitochondria.